Yeah, here we have a Kennedy 3611B Machinist tool chest. It appears to be unused, has a little bit of shipping distress. There's like a little dent right here, one down here, one over here. Doesn't affect the proper operation of any of the drawers or anything like that. Includes 2 chrome handles. In this package here, 4 keys. Okay, so when you lift the top up, you can slide this out right here. There's a little bend right here on the pin guide right here. These pins right here hold the front door on. All the drawers slide in and out. They're all felt lined. Very nice box. These are friction slides on here. They're not ball bearing. Okay, we're just going to turn the box around a little bit so you can see it. It's in really good shape. And we thank you for looking at our product.